Yes, good morning mga buddy. Welcome back to another Taal Volcano update. So today is March 28, 2020 at narito na naman tayo sa Facebook page ng Department of Science and Technology o PHIVOLCS. So today ay naglabas 9 minutes ago ng Taal Volcano Bulletin na naman ang PHIVOLCS. So tingnan natin kung may pagbabago. Dahil kahapon yung ating inilabas na update ay mayroong 11 volcanic earthquakes na nangyari within 24 hours. So ngayon, ilang kaya? So ito, sinasabi, activity in the main crater in the past 24 hours has been characterized by weak emission of white to dirty white steam-laden plumes rising 50 meters high before drifting southwest. So halos parehas lang yung kagaya ng kahapon. Then weak steaming was also observed from fissure vents along the Daan Castilla Trail. The Taal Volcano Network recorded 12 volcanic earthquakes that are associated with rock fracturing processes beneath and around the edifice. So yun ang pagkakaiba mga buddy. Nagkaroon ng 12 volcanic earthquakes within 24 hours. So nadagdagan ng isa. Alert level 1 abnormal is maintained over Taal Volcano. PHIVOLCS reminds the public that at alert level 1, sudden steam-driven or phreatic explosions, volcanic earthquakes, minor ashfall, and lethal accumulations or expulsions of volcanic gas can occur and threaten areas within the TVI or Taal Volcano Island. PHIVOLCS strongly recommends that entry into TVI, Taal's Permanent Danger Zone or PDZ, especially in the vicinities of the main crater and the Daan Castilla prison, must remain strictly prohibited. Local government units are advised to continuously assess previously evacuated barangays around Taal Lake for damages and road accessibilities and to strengthen preparedness, contingency, and communication measures in case of renewed unrest. People are also advised to observe precautions due to ground displacement across fissures, possible ashfall, and minor earthquakes. Civil aviation authorities must advise pilots to avoid flying close to the volcano as airborne ash and ballistic fragments from sudden explosion and wind remobilized ash may pose hazards to aircrafts. So yan po ang ipinalabas ng PHIVOLCS today, March 28, 2020 sa Taal Volcano. Okay, so sana ay mag-ingat pa rin ang ating mga kababayan, panatilihing ligtas, mapagmatsyag upang sa ganoon ay maging handa palagi sa anumang sakuna. At kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa channel ko, pakipindot na ang subscribe button, pati na rin ang bell notification upang updated ka sa mga videos na ating gagawin. Muli, ito ang inyong Supremo. See you next time mga buddy.